So I want to teach you today how to use the shapes that we know to make our writing even better. So when we're writing in our pictures, we start with our picture space and we can use shapes to help us do that good writing work. Today I want us to think about a topic to write about. We could write about animals. That's a great thing to write about. We already talked about those. But I heard that there's a special birthday boy in the room.
It's me.
Oh! How old are you today? 6 years old. I kind of was thinking we could write about birthdays today. Could we write all about birthdays, like the things we do? Help me think about the things we do real quick. Turn and talk with your neighbor about some of the things that you find at birthdays. You might think about cupcakes. You might think about presents. Turn and talk. What do you see at birthdays? Turn and talk. Turn to your partner. Turn right here. Oh, a hotel? Your birthday could be at different places, like a hotel. That sounds fun. You could have birthdays at Chuck E. Cheese. That was what you said? That's great.
No.
What else do we see at birthdays? It's almost your birthday? What do you see at your birthday, though? A lot of fun. Riders, eyes on me. Oh my goodness, let me tell you all the things that I heard you say. Can you turn your bodies back to me and your eyes back on me? I heard people say so many things about birthdays. We can see things like our friends. We can see things like our moms and our dads and our grown-ups. So we can say our family. We could see things like cupcakes or cake. We could see things like food. We could see things like presents. There's a lot of things at birthdays. What about balloons?
Yeah.
Oh, we could see balloons. What about a banner that says happy birthday?
Yeah.
Do you want to add on?
Yeah.
What else do we see?
Sometimes anyone will get you a place that has anything that you want.
You're right. So sometimes we have friends give us gifts that we can play on. The other thing I heard, put your hands down real quick. I heard that we go some places sometimes on our birthdays. Like we might have a special meal with our families. We might go to a place like Chuck E. Cheese to play. We had one friend said, I really want to go to a hotel. I thought that sounded really fancy for your birthday. Yep. Okay, writers, I'm going to start with my first page with you. Put your hands down. You're going to help me think about the shapes that go with that. So let's first, I'm just going to put on my page some of the things that you named. So things like maybe I'll draw some balloons. Maybe I'll draw a person whose birthday is today. Maybe I'll draw some presents. What I want you to think about are the shapes that make those objects to help us with drawing. And listen, you're not going to write on the board, but what I do want you to do is use your finger. Everyone hold their finger. Touch the carpet. You can draw the shape on the carpet with me. Touch your knee. You could draw the shape on your knee. Touch your hand. You could draw the shape on your hand. So when I'm doing my drawing up here, where could you draw? On the carpet, on your
hand.
Okay, put your hands down because now it's my turn. It'll be your turn next, okay? So the first thing I think I'm gonna draw is our birthday boy over here. So I'm thinking about what shapes we see on people. I'm thinking a circle for his head. Maybe his body could be what shape?
Triangle.
Maybe a triangle, or we could do another circle, or maybe a square. What about his legs and arms? Could we use just sticks or lines?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. Okay, as I'm drawing our birthday boy, where could you be drawing your picture of him?
On the carpet.
On our knee or on our... Okay, do it with me because I'm going to draw a circle first for his face. I'm going to add a smile. I'm going to try to add his hair. Now I'm adding another shape. I think I'm going to do a circle for his body because I feel really good about my circles today. They're his body. Then I'm going to draw some sticks for his legs. And I'm going to put his hands like this because I want him to be excited. Does he look so happy it's his birthday? Yeah, he looks like it's my birthday.
Birthday hat on.
Oh, I love that you're thinking about a birthday hat. What shape would that be?
A triangle.
Could be a circle or a triangle. I'm kind of thinking the party hats are a little bit triangle. So let's see if I can do that.
Wait, that's a cone.
It kind of looks like a cone. You're right. That is the shape of a cone. Does that look like a birthday hat?
Yeah.
You know your 3D shapes.
Don't forget the circle on top.
Oh, you're so right. That's what it was missing. Kind of
Like the
missing.
pom-pom.
Like the pom-pom on top. You are so right. Okay, so I have my birthday boy. What other items could I draw? Let me think.
Wait.
A balloon, a present, cupcakes. What should I draw next? A balloon, a present, or cupcake?
That's mine. That's mine.
Let's do balloons. Can we do balloons next?
Yeah.
Okay, what shape might I draw?
Circle.
Where could you draw your balloon?
Oval. The oval.
Oh, it's kind of an oval instead, isn't it? And then did you know sometimes balloons have this little triangle on the bottom? And then could I do this? Look, watch this. I'm gonna make him hold the balloon with my stick. Did you add your twirly little string on your balloon? If you didn't, where could you add it? On the carpet, on your knee, or on your hand? I'm gonna add some presents. What shape are presents? Are they triangles? They could be squares. What other shape could they be?
Squares.
This could be squares. They might be circles.
A
What-
triangle.
Rectangles.
Rectangle.
Could they be rectangles? I'm gonna draw a couple. Where could you draw your presents? On the carpet, on your, or on your? Yeah, there you go. Okay, I'm gonna draw a square.
I'm going there.
I think I'm gonna do it like this. Like sometimes the ribbon goes like this, and do some circles on top. Does that look like a present? Let me add another one. He has some big presents. I'm gonna add another one over here. Ooh, oh my goodness. I have a lot of things. Can you tell it's a birthday? You can't tell yet? What do we need to add?
Cupcake.
Some cupcakes. Okay, this is your, I'm gonna get you in a minute, okay? Let's finish this. One thing that I'm thinking about where our cupcakes are is usually on a what? On a table. Let me see if I can make a table. Could I use some lines or some rectangles to help you think? I'm gonna do a small rectangle. Are you doing it with me on the carpet or on your knee? I'm gonna draw some legs on my table. Tables usually have 4 legs, right? Yeah. And then I'm gonna draw a little oval here because my cupcakes are gonna sit here. So I'm gonna kind of do a square. Does it have to be perfect? No, it doesn't have to be perfect.
You need a wick for the cupcake.
I need a candle. You're so right.
And you need lid. You need a wick for no.
Oh, to go over it, you're so right. I think for right now, we can pretend like we're about to eat them. Is that okay with you? Okay, now writers, here's one last trick. We drew so many shapes. What shapes did we draw? What did we draw? Tell me. What do you see? There's squares. We have circles. We have lines. We have rectangles. We have a triangle. So many. So, writers, one last tip that you can do before you are finished with your picture. You could also label all of these pictures with the sounds that you hear. Like if I was gonna write balloon, I might just write the first letter I hear. What do you hear in balloon? What letter makes that sound? B. So I can draw, hold down. And that can help my readers know that's a balloon. What is your name? How do you spell your name? I'm gonna write his name here because that's who it is.
It was my birthday last time.
How do you spell his name?
Jameee.
Okay. Jameek. And look, I'm gonna draw a line to show us that that's our friend. We can also use our word wall to help us with some of ours. This is a present. What do you hear at the beginning? What letter makes that sound? P. So I can just put this here to help me know that that's a present. What are these? Cupcakes. the C, it makes the k sound. What is this?
Table.
You're already thinking about what letter am I gonna write?
Table.
A T for table. So writers, in just a minute, you're gonna have paper at your desk and you're gonna get to do the same thing. You can choose to write about birthdays and add all of those great things. One second.
Color.
Or we can color at the end. Today we're just gonna worry about sketching our pictures quickly using the shapes that we know and some of the letters we know. You can write about birthdays, but you can also write about other things. Maybe you could write about the animals you were talking about. Maybe you could write about something you've done fun recently with your family. You can write about anything you want. But what do we have to make sure we're adding? Shapes to our pictures. All right, let's go